Hey guys, I'm Arushi and this is my first YouTube video and today I'm going to show you the makeup tutorial for this look. So let's get into the video and keep watching. So yeah, this is me without makeup. So first thing first, I'm using the PAC Bouncy primer. You always have to prime your face first whenever you do the makeup. And I already prepped my skin with some moisturizer. And now I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Pro Pomade in shade dark brown. But first I'm going to brush my eyebrows. And I'm using the angled brush to fill my eyebrows. Now I'm going to take some foundation to clean the areas around my brows to look more sharp and even. I'm using the foundation on my lid as a eye base instead of a concealer. If you also want to use the foundation as an eye base, always set it with a loose powder. I'm using the Bharat Dorris Loose powder in number 7. Now it's time for the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. I'm using the warm dark brown shade on my crease area and blending it in outwards direction for creating a triangle. Then I'm going to put the black color on my outer corner of my eyes to create the depth and to make my eyes lifted. Again, I'm using some foundation to cut my crease and make it sure to set it with the powder eyeshadow. I'm using the PAC Fresh Color eyeshadow palette and putting the dark blue shade on the cut crease area that I have made. Then I'm going to use this beautiful blue color to pat into the crease area from NYX eyeshadow palette in Bright. I'm using this Wet n Wild glitter eyeshadow inspired on the blue eyeshadow. It's time to do face. I'm using Kat Von D Creme Contour palette to conceal my acne scars that you can't see right now. So yeah, I'm using this Lakme 925 primer+matte foundation and I'm in shade Warm Natural. And using this beauty blender from Nika, and also this is my second purchase for this foundation, so yeah, you can tell currently this is my favorite one. It's important to blend the makeup from the face into the neck, so yeah, blend your foundation evenly. Especially in winters, don't forget to moisturize your lips, so that's why I'm using this lip balm from Blue Heaven in flavor Cocoa Butter. Using the same palette, I'm doing the contouring. Oh, look at that. And again, using the same beauty blender to blend this out. So yeah, this is all about blending. So now I'm using the Benefit Hoola Matte Bronzer to contour my nose. So I'm out of my concealer just when I have to make this video. Wow. But it's okay, that's why I'm using my foundation to highlight my under eye area. So I'm using the same loose powder with damp beauty blender to set under my eyes. After the 5 minutes, I am going to brush it off the excess powder. So again with the same Huda Beauty palette, I am going to use the same dark brown shade and the black one in the lower lash line of my eyes. Then I am going to use the Makeup Revolution Ultra Brush Palette in Sugar and Spice and always remove the excess product on the brush. Now it's time for the mascara and I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. Last but not the least, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty 3D Highlight Palette in Golden Sands and using the brush all over them. Ooh, can you see my highlighter popping? For the lips, I'm going for the nude lips, so I'm using the Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in shade Toasted Brown, and this is my all-time favorite lipstick with the color. Then I'm using the MAC Matte Lipstick in shade Velvet Diddy on top of it. This is the final look. Thanks for watching. Bye.